Hey up, I'm Squire95 and this is a tutorial on how I use Firebot. And today I will show you how to sort out walk-ons or your entrances in Firebot. We're back on events like we did with the alerts, okay? However, if you want to have it as a separate set, then you can do. I have it on an entrance set. Now, if you're familiar with Mix-Up, you know that is actually set up as a custom user command or entrance, and the users is all going to be in an event, okay? So, for example, let's have a look at the events I've sorted out for many people here. So, we're going to have a look at Flower's entrance, for example, okay? So, what she has is a sound for her entrance, which goes along like this.
Got them thick thighs, really made my rise. When we locked ties, I thought something for the first time. She's trying to see what I'm doing tonight.
Now, Flower's entrance is set up intrinsically a little bit. Nope. Now, if you see the filters and you see her the username is a sunflower, that's her username on Twitch, okay? So it only works for users that you've essentially edited it for. So if you edit it for a certain person that comes into your channel, if they're VIP or sub or whoever you want it, just give them an entrance for the sake of it, then you have that entrance for them whenever possible, okay? So it can have it either pop up in the chat saying, hey up, it's a northern queen of no-nos. Yeah, so that is Flower's entrance. It has either sound, or you can have like a video to go along with that entrance. For example, Moz, the Welsh Time Lord, right there. And essentially this is why I have a video for Moz, as you can see on the screen right now. And that is it. You can simply just put it on the side saying, hello, I'm here in the channel and all is ready to go and all that bullshit. That is essentially how you do entrances and just walk on. So essentially you go onto a new event, same with the alerts. You go on to viewer arrived on Twitch and you put in whatever name you want, but as long as the username is the same as they are on Twitch, and you're good to go. Enabled custom cooldown. You don't need a custom cooldown for this one, really. They're just, and simply just put in chat, put in your video or sound, and then it's all good to go. If you need help with this, just let me know in the comments. And that's how you do walk-ons or entrances in Firebot. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave me a like, subscribe. If you think I've missed anything, then just let me know. And I'll see you soon. Ta-ta!